Have you ever listened to a native English speaker and thought, wow, they talk so fast, I can't understand a single word? You're not alone. Many English learners face this same challenge. Today, I'm going to help you understand why native speakers sound fast and how you can train your ears and your mind to catch their words naturally. First, take a deep breath and relax. You don't have to understand every word right now. Listening to fast English is like learning. Step 1. Start with short, real-life clips. Find a short video or podcast of native speakers, maybe just 30 seconds or 1 minute long. Listen to it several times. The first time, don't worry if you understand nothing. Just listen. The second time, try to catch a few words. The third time, try to catch the meaning. Then, look at the transcript or subtitles to check what you missed. This process trains your ears and helps your brain connect sounds with meaning. Step 2. Learn the patterns of connected speech. As I mentioned earlier, English speakers connect words in many ways. For example, going to becomes gonna. Want to becomes wanna. Kind of becomes kinda. Let me becomes lemme. You don't have to speak like that right now, but understanding these patterns will make it much easier to follow fast speech. Step 3. Practice shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a short piece of audio and repeating it immediately, trying to match the rhythm, tone, and speed. You can use a podcast, a movie scene, or a YouTube clip. When you shadow, you are not just improving your speaking, you are also improving your listening. Your mouth trains your ears to recognize real sounds. Start with one sentence at a time. Don't worry if it feels difficult at first. Over time, your pronunciation, listening, and confidence will grow together. Step 4. Don't translate in your head. If you keep translating from your native language into English, your brain will always be one step behind. You'll never be fast enough to follow native speakers. Instead, train your mind to think directly in English. Here's a simple way to practice. When you look around your room, try to describe what you see in English. For example, there is a cup on the table. The window is open. The light is bright. This exercise may seem simple, but it helps your brain connect English words directly to real things, not to your first language. Step 5. Use slow and fast versions together. When you study with English videos, try this. First, listen at a slower speed, maybe 0.75 speed, to understand the meaning. Then, listen again at normal speed. You'll start to notice that your brain adapts. After a few weeks, the normal speed will start to sound comfortable. This is how you train your ear muscles. It's like going to the gym for your listening skills. Now, let's talk about why fast English sounds scary to many learners. It's not just about the speed, it's about the unfamiliar sounds. English has many sounds that don't exist in other languages. For example, the th sound in think or this. When native speakers use these sounds quickly, it can be hard to recognize them. But don't worry, your brain can learn to hear them. The secret is repetition and exposure. Listen to English every day, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Your ears need constant contact with the sound of English. Remember, children don't learn language by studying grammar first. They learn by listening, repeating, and imitating. You can do the same. Let's take a moment to talk about stress and intonation. In English, not every word is equally strong. Some words are stressed more than others. For example, in the sentence, I want to go to the store, the strong words are want, go, and store. The smaller words, I, to, the e, are said quickly and quietly. That's why English sounds fast. It's not that speakers are saying more words, it's that they skip over the small words quickly. So when you listen, don't try to hear every small word. Focus on the important words. That's where the meaning is. Here's a quick example exercise you can try. Listen to a sentence like this. I've been waiting for you all day. When spoken naturally, it sounds like, I've been waiting for you all day. See how many small sounds are dropped? But the main words, been, waiting, and day, tell you the meaning. Once you understand this, you'll stop worrying about every sound and start understanding the message. Step 6. Focus on rhythm, not words. English is a rhythm-based language. This means that some beats are strong and others are weak. If you can feel the rhythm, you can follow the speech. You don't need to understand everything word by word. For example, when someone says, I don't know what you mean, they might sound like, dunno what you mean. But if you listen to the rhythm, it still follows the same pattern. Your brain can catch that rhythm even if some sounds are unclear. Step 7. Be patient with yourself. You are not supposed to understand fast English instantly. Even native speakers have trouble understanding people with different accents or when they speak too fast. So be kind to yourself. Learning to listen is a long process, not a quick fix. Make a daily habit of listening to natural English for at least 15 minutes a day. Don't pause. Don't overthink. Just listen and let your brain absorb the sound. Before we finish, I want to share a few extra tips that can speed up your progress. 1. Watch movies and shows with English subtitles, not translated ones. Read while you listen. 2. Listen to English podcasts on topics you enjoy. When you like the topic, your brain pays more attention. 3. Don't focus on understanding everything. Focus on understanding more today than you did yesterday. 4. Re-listen to your favorite episodes. Repetition is not boring. It's brain training. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Native English sounds fast because words are connected. Small sounds are dropped, and the rhythm moves quickly. To catch fast speakers, you need to train your ear with short real-life clips. Learn the patterns of connected speech. Practice shadowing to match rhythm and pronunciation. Stop translating and start thinking in English. Listen to both slow and fast versions of English. Focus on stressed words, not every sound. Stay patient and consistent. If you follow these steps, I promise you, your listening skills will transform. You will start catching words and phrases automatically. English will stop sounding like a blur of sounds, and it will start sounding like something you understand and enjoy. So, keep listening every day. Don't give up. The more you listen, the more your brain learns. One day, you'll realize that you're catching every word, and that will be one of the happiest moments in your English journey. This was How to Catch Fast English Speakers. Keep practicing, keep growing, and remember, every time you listen, you are getting closer to fluency.